divergent walls to complete my current ruse. You use a plate glass screen to protect my chosen target, but there's an air pellet hole I can crawl through to you.